Hello, friend. This side Vijay. Hope you all are doing good in your career. Currently, I'm working in Amazon at the Bangalore location. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Tech Fly Vijay. Coming to the today's job opening, which is for the position of software testing, and this is for the experience. Sorry for the fresher. And in the software testing, it's required both the things, manual testing and the automation testing. Now sharing my screen to show you the job update time and the job level. Sharing my screen. This is a snapshot which I had taken from my internal job portal, so I can know that the position is for uh, L4 or L5, and job update time. This is the job update time, which is 1 day ago, and this is the L4 position. And this position is for the Bangalore location, and second one is the and second one is also for the Bangalore location, and it's 2 hour ago. And this is the quality assurance engineer. And in this both of the position, it's required manual testing and the software manual testing and the automation testing. So I'm sharing the screen with the job details. This is the public platform link. So as you can see that you can match the job ID. This is the 2924 942 2924 942, same. And that's uh, and the second one is the, as you can see that this one, sorry, 2953668. So coming to the first one, both are the L4 position for the Bangalore location. So first one is the quality assurance engineer, Bangalore location, and the team under this position is hiring is the system quality and the security engineer. Coming to the job details, you can read the job details, or I will share the job link also to apply. So here you can see the job details. Now talking the basic qualification, that is experience in the automation testing. Bachelor degree is required. Uh, they are not mentioning any kind of a specific degree, only the bachelor degree. Experience in the manual testing. Uh, in that, first one is first criteria is the 4+ of experience working as the quality assurance engineer, and the second is strong in coding with the person can back end and the front end automation parts, and 3+ year of experience in the automation testing. See here both the things, manual testing they required, experience in manual testing and experience in the automation testing, and this is the preferred qualification. If it's then it's a good plus point or good to go. Coming to the second position, this is the quality assurance engineer under the team of system operation and the security engineering. This is the Amazon desk card. I think it's a team name for the same Bangalore location. Coming to the basic qualification, 2+ of experience as a quality assurance engineer experience, BS degree in computer science or equivalent, or 4+ year of technical work experience, experience in the manual testing. And again, it's both the things are required here, manual testing and automation testing. Uh, okay, in this video, if this video help you in any of the way in the job searching, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Or if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, I will share my LinkedIn profile link in the job description. Sorry, in the video description. And along with I am just mentioning the video link. You can apply for both the position. This all the both positions are today's updated on my internal job portal. So okay, that's enough for today. Bye bye for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.